Yes!
Welcome back!
Welcome! Naman, ito, tandem sa dance moves and grooves ang makikita natin dito sa Dancing in Tandem. Let's get the party started! Let's call in our DJ, DJ Buster!
What? Boy Breezy, oh.
Oh, laki ng jacket.
Galing Paris kagabi yan.
Ano na?
Galing Paris.
Paris?
Paris, France.
Balik. Hi, Baste! Hi, Baste!
How are you, DJ Baste?
Good.
Anong ginawa mo kanina umaga?
Mag-practice.
Alvin, if you haven't met DJ Baste, he's an international DJ that's guesting on Eat Bulaga with us.
Talagang galing mag-Tagalog, ha?
Yeah, last week he was in Ibiza. He went to Japan, to Taiwan. Last night he was in Paris, but he's with us today.
May private jet siguro to, no?
Private jet, private entourage,
Private everything.
private meal, private fried chicken, everything private. DJ Baste, take it away. Let's hear your songs for today.
Are you ready, Amari?
Yeah, let's party!
Hit number 1. So we love all of you. Your edges. Perfect. All to me. Give my all to you. And goodness. So ready.
Ganun lang, sa stop tayo.
Stop agad.
Is there another song, DJ Baste?
You want more? Roof, roof, listen to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, secret rain. Far away, far away.
Tumaas, ha?
Stop now.
Voice lessons pa more, ha?
Listen.
Taas na, ha? Sumusoprano na. Okay. DJ Baste, will you show us your equipment? What letter is this, DJ Baste?
May letter.
S.
S.
This one?
U. U. A.
R.
R. E.
What does it spell?
Square.
Very good. Very good.
DJ Baste, let's look at the camera. And what is your message to all the girls watching right now? Go.
Ako pala sa'yo, mga girls.
Galawang! Breezy!
Sus, Mario.
Thank you so much, DJ Baste.
Ayan na. At dahil nandito na si DJ Baste. Ako, party lang tayo dito. Okay, maglalaban-laban ngayon ang mga dancing in tandem na Zumba instructors.
Ang ating star of the day ay kailangan ma-incorporate sa mga Zumba instructors na ibibigay ng mga iba, kundi ng ALDA. Matindi yan to. Nag-rehearse po silang dalawa.
Nag-rehearse?
At eto na, ang ating ALDA Step of the Day.
Okay, ito yan.
Matindi yan to, ha. First time in Philippine history. Gagawin to. Oy!
Good
Ay, pambansang
afternoon.
main.
Alden, mauna ka na.
Ano?
Mauna ka na.
Ano?
Mauna ka na.
Oo nga,
Sa step.
tuturo ko nga sa'yo eh.
Okay, go.
Ganito ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, clap,
7,
clap.
8.
Kuha? Kuha mo?
Isa pa.
Sige. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8.
3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, gets. Okay.
Isa ba? Isa ba?
Kahit malayo kayo, ha?
Isa ba?
Gusto mo ba?
Pero may, ano muna ako, may sasabihin lang ako sa'yo.
Ano?
Aba?
Alam mo, ang love parang dancing in tandem.
Bakit?
Kasi hindi kompleto pag wala ka.
Alam mo, hindi market fixer rin yung ni Yaya, ginaganyan nyo.
Okay, ready na sila? Okay po.
Niya yan, ha?
Ready?
Gusto niya yung mga
Kung tumigil
ganyan,
ka, tama na.
Ginugusto-
You had your chance, Pops.
Ginugusto ko yan, ha?
You had your chance.
I-reveal ko na. Ang alta ba?
Music! Yeah! Music na! Music na!
DJ Basta, music daw. Play music, play. Nagbabuffer na. Okay, eto na. Ang Aldab Skabundi. Thank you so much, Alden and Maine.
Yes.
Ang tindi nyo. Okay, narito naman natin mga judges in tandem. Mga kasama natin, of course, nandiyan sila That's My Babe Kim and That's My Babe Kenneth.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
Thank you so much, of course, Kim and Kenneth. Napansin mo si Kenneth, nagkape, ha?
Ang taas energy, lagi naman eh.
Lawat. Eto pa, Paps. Judges in tandem Bamor, sila Ruby and Pauling. Wow!
You know! Thank you, the rooms in Poland.
Wala si Patring sa judges?
Wala today.
Ay.
Teka, Patring, ha?
Ay.
Papi Alden.
Oh.
Eto hindi mo alam. Ngayon ko lang reveal.
Ano na naman?
Kagabi,
May
kasama ko ang mga pinakamatalinong scientist sa mundo.
Okay.
Pinag-usapan namin ang homicide, suicide, pesticide.
Scientist?
Yes,
Officer?
papi.
Oh.
Alam mo, na-disappoint. Sabi ko, lahat yan nakakamatay.
Oh.
Na-disappoint ako. Sabi ko, hindi ba natin pinag-usapan ng mga nakakabuhay?
Kagaya ng?
Patring, to be by your side.
Papa na yan.
Patring, if you're watching, I'm watching you too. Hi, tita.
Ay, nako. Ano sabi ni DJ Bastet?
Papa na yan.
Ay, tama na daw yan. Okay, ito na. Simulan na natin ang sayawan. Here's Dancing in Tandem #1 from Imus Cavite. They enjoy dancing, hip-hop, doing workouts. Yan. Here's Maidel Lakap and Norodin Mantorino, the Maximum Groove Zumba instructors.
Music maestro.
Yo, Big K. Eres musicales. Yo, this is General Degree. Irasa naman.
Mga dami ka! Ready na ba kayo? Okay, so simulan na natin. Dali lang, step! Mayroong shake, shake, shake! At merong wait, wait, wait!
Oh, sandali.
Okay, tingnan natin.
Teka, may pause. Thank you, Maximum Groove!
Ito naman.
Galing.
Panimula pa lang yung Pops.
Oh.
Our next dancing in tandem comes from Mabalacat, Pampanga. They are both into modern dancing. Lalo na si Abigail and Villicen Robert Flores, the Mystic Movers Zumba instructors.
Music Maestro!
Ready to rumble!
Oh my God! Talaga kayo? Sayin na dito! Ilan na kayo? Ano? Enjoy kayo! Don't stop! Don't stop! Sige, sige!
Oh, ha?
You can see that, Bobby?
Ay! So, May mga,
Si May, di ba tapos?
mahilig magpo-pose eh.
Thank you so much, Mystic Movers!
Yan, okay. Tingnan naman natin kung ano masasabi ng ating mga judges. Kenneth! Ano? Kenneth.
Maayong pagpaliod to sa mga Dabber Kasi sa Cebu. Viva, Pits Junior po sa tanan. Ang ilang mga lihok kay Lagsik. Lagsik means energetic po. Yung first group, parang more on salsa-salsa. Then the second group, more on jumping exercise po. Ayun. Kung kisa ito'y makasunod karon contestant, maayong halag sayaw. Dapat energy. Pagpakit, pagwapo.
Running energy. 1, 2, 3. Energy.
Energy.
This is Alden, a different orientation. Well, let's hear it from our second judge.
Kim?
That's my mate Kim from
What can you
London.
say? Yes, I like
What's
it.
going on? My first comment, I'd just like to say for the first group, I really love your shirt. London, yeah, I really love the shirt. The shirt. But yeah,
The shirt.
Overall,
the shirt.
shirt.
London.
Yeah, great energy. Again, I love to watch Zumba guys dance because it's just like so much energy, and I get the energy from it.
It's like your love life, Kim.
Yeah.
So much
I like
energy.
the London
Sorry, I'm
accent.
just so in love with the shirt. That's why I'm shirt.
You have so much. You have a tissue Alden, nose bleeding.
Wala, doon na sa likod, mami. Tapos. Ay, Tarubs. Ginaya mo. Ay, go.
You know, I really don't know what to say after Kim, huh? Nosebleed.
Pauling, what can you say?
Who first? Is it the younger or the younger one?
Let me go get something.
It really depends.
Is it the younger or the younger
It
one?
really depends.
And I love the shirt. Ano daw? Shirt?
Shirt.
Shirt. Kasi pag ako nagsabi, iba yung tulog.
Kahit pag ako nagsabi, iba din lumalabas.
Okay, pull it.
I super love that energy. Sabi ko na, ayoko, hindi ko kaya. Energy! At saka parang naka-loose ng mga 5 pounds yung mga audience natin ha. Kasi lahat talaga sumabay sa inyong Zumba steps. And it's so obvious that everyone enjoyed. Kahit itong merong injury, napatalon din.
Oo nga.
Kasi
Saya,
dapat
saya.
talaga ganyan eh. Pagka nagtuturo kayo ng Zumba, mag-enjoy yung mga estudyante nyo. And nag-enjoy naman tayong lahat, di ba? So,
Yes.
ibig sabihin, effective yung mga ginawa ninyo. Magkaibang level, pero magkaibang energy ang inyong binigay. Pero suma total, kayong dalawa merong energy, energy, energy.
Okay, DJ Baste, take it away.
You want more?
That Lover God said, you want more. Let the showdown begin.
Music Maestro!
Alright, thank you Maximum Groove and Mystic Movers. At mamaya, syempre, malalaman na natin kung sino ang panalo dito sa
Dancing in
Tandem.
Ito naman, Papi, susunod na. Lahat mapapasabi ng grabe siya. Basta sa pagbalik ka na ang Eat
Bulaga!
Ako yan. Pipitinin muna namin kayo. Happy birthday kay Mark Israel, kay Adam Galermo, kay Jenny De Los Santos, Leonor Ocampo, Rochelle Santos, at kay Yoko Elias. Happy birthday!
At alamin na natin kung sino sa mga Dancing in Tandem ang mag-uwi ng 30,000 pesos.
Dancing in Tandem number 1, Maximum Groove. Dancing in Tandem number 2, Mystic Movers. And the winner, with an average score of 95.75%, our Dancing in Tandem winner for today is Dancing in Tandem number 1, Maximum Groove. Congratulations! At maraming salamat din sa Mystic Movers. Meron kayong 10,000 pesos.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga Dapper Cats na nakisaya sa atin today. Thank you guys!
Thank you! Bukas na sisinubanas at susunod na yan ng 1,000 tuwa dito lang sa
Eat Bulaga!